What time was it post? I didn't know.
No, I have to
Is it just the tomatoes? Thank you.
tomatoes inside.
No, shift from here. You're gonna make this thing to fall. Look at what she's doing. Okay.
We put this in the garbage.
Sorry, they might be my business. You can take the record again. Family.
Should we wait back?
Oh my gosh. Roger, we're doing great, and you?
You guys, and it's very important. If you touch this thing when you have wet hands, it might shock you. So you have to dry your hands before you touch the machine. You chopped it.
Hi guys, welcome to our live. If you're just joining for the very first time. Oh, project, you have one. What's the question project? What am I putting? Show them because everybody knows how to do it. Can I be a moderator? Yes, you can be a moderator, of course.
Black pepper.
Obviously, you carry. How does it work? I'm just send it up to you. So like once you've done putting on all of our ingredients, what am I putting? Please let them know because everybody
This is my
knows.
garlic and anti-germ powder. Now we have a special spice. So let's special spice. So are you done? Or are you playing cards?
Just watching you cook.
This is so cute.
Oh, it's too hot. It's too marinated. Don't worry, she's gonna cook it too. Hi, Tuma, how are you? How are you? Topeka says she loves your hair. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining the live. If you're just joining for the very first time.
Don't forget to last time. And by the way, guys, this is my meat. I'm just marinating it.
Oh, it's spicy. Thank you, Brenda. Roger, give me 1 second. I'm gonna do that. Wash it very well, baby. Do the scallion first, then the green onion second. Hi Ali, go learn how to speak some English before you come on the air. Go take some spelling lessons first before you come back. We are waiting for you. Why are you guys laughing? How are you trying to throw when you can't spell? You should learn to spell before you throw, you know? What's the pink on her hair? It's a bead. She's happy.
So first you cut it in lines, like these, and then just cut it.
Oh, you can buy it from any beauty supply shop, SA. Just go to any beauty supply shop and let them know that you want to buy beads. So if you go to our previous video, there was a live video. When was this? On Saturday, you're going to see where we made the hair and the pack where it's coming from. I think it's like $5.25.
No, it's $1.
No, not these big ones. The big beads. This one. Oh, you probably have like $2 or $3 something. So while you're doing that, guys, I'm just gonna peel off, guys. Hi, Justine, how are you? Oh, I'm just sorry about that, guys. Yeah, not too much, okay? You want to break the plantain. You have to do it gently. And that's my beer. Like I said, it is mixed vegetable. Govern this pot without. Guys, remember you have to put the bell pepper, the onion,